corff lan. Okay? So, dechrau off, ni jyst yn mynd i marcho ar y spot. Lyfli, ni gyd troi pen i'r ochr. Nôl i'r canol, a draw i'r ochr arall. Nôl i'r canol. Ni edrych lan. Dyma pen nôl. Draw nôl i'r canol, a wedyn lawr gyn mewn, edrych lawr. A nôl i'r canol. Nawr ni'n mynd ar y sgwyddau, so roll the shoulders, sgwyddau nôl. Cadw coesau mewn, cadw trad symud. A'r sgwyddau mlaen. Rolling forward, sgwyddau rolio mlaen. And relax. Okay, we're going to toe taps now. So toes forward to the toe taps. Symud y trad mlaen a tyfo lawr y llaw o flaen chi. A roll rhaid, ni'n mynd i heel dips. So heels forward, dip them down, so keep with the toe taps. And now i'r heel dips. Lovely. Toe taps to your leg, so get those toe taps behind you. Okay, don't just go ochr. Go mas tu ôl. Tapa'r tro lawr a nôl mewn. Lovely. Okay, tro hyn, ni'n tap mas i'r ochr, so tap it out to the side. Tro hyn mas, tap, a nôl mewn. Toes going out, tap it out, and then bringing them back in. Just mas i'r ochr, dechrau'n cyffyrddus da, out to the side, when you're comfortable. Da iawn, nôl i'r mat. Tro hyn, ni'n dod â breichau mewn gyda'r okay? So you're going to bring the arms in as well, introducing the arms. So nôl i'r toe taps, tapping the toes out forward, and mewn i bicep curl hefyd, okay? So bring it into a bicep curl as well. Cadw'r elbows in. Lovely, curling up. Okay, nôl mewn i'r heel digs then, so back to the heel digs. Look at the leg, you're going to chest press. So we're bringing in the chest press with the heel digs. Dwylo mewn i'r chest, a mas o flaen. Stretch o mas, yn gymaint i'ch gallu. Okay, nôl tu ôl dos, so just backwards toe taps again. A dyna breichau mlaen o flaen chi. Ymestyn mor bell i'ch gallu. So we're going to stretch those arms out as far as you can. So o'r ochr, bydd edrych fan hyn. Trod mas, breichau lan. Stretchwch mas, okay? Ymestyn mor bell i'ch gallu. Stretching the body out as far as you can. A nôl i'r canol. Okay, nôl mas i'r ochr nawr. So toe taps out to the side. A dy rhain, ni'n mynd i ymestyn y breichau mas i'r ochr hefyd. Okay, so you're going to bring the arms out to the side as well. Lovely. A nôl i'r mat. Shiglo off, gobeithio chi wedi twymo lan nawr. Okay, ni'n mynd i wneud y dosbarth nawr. Yr un cyntaf ni'n mynd i wneud yw high knees, okay? So ni'n dod y knees lan, pengliniau lan, Okay? Chi'n gallu dod i goffwrdd ar pen glin, da'r llaw arall. So you can bring your arms up, bring those hands to the opposite knee, to help bring them up as far as you can, okay? So lle bynnag chi'n cyfyrddus da, ni'n mynd i'n full minute, okay? Munud llaw. So yn amser eich hunan, cadw'ch fit, cadw'ch wedi, keep smiling. Da iawn. Cadw'ch gwthio. Keep pushing. Bron o hwnna. Barod. Cefn mlaen. I'r exercise nesa. Okay, then your wall press now. So we esgus bod wal da fi fan hyn. Okay, chi'n mynd gwthio lawr a lan. So chi'n mynd chest na lawr i'r wal a nôl lan. So we're doing a wall press. We're going to put the chest down and back up, okay? Bring the chest down to the wall and back up. So I've got a wall here. Got a wall in the house you can use. Wal yn tŷ chi. Defnyddiwch e. So bend those elbows. Plug your knee in. Nagli mewn trwy trwy, mas trwy cyn. So keep breathing in through the nose, out the mouth. Da iawn. Gwthio. Keep pushing. Few more to go. Push. Cofio bod nhw'n munud yr un. A gorffen, da iawn. So yr un nesaf ni'n mynd yw squats, okay? So trad mas, to get shoulder width apart, to squint apart, a lawr i'r squat, a nôl lan, okay? So squat it down, shoulder width apart, and back up. Remember to clench your bum on the way back up. I'll show you on the side. Those glutes. Professional term. I took off the other part. And clench those glutes. Lovely work. Da iawn, cadw'ch fit. Cadw'ch wedi. A naglu. Okay, cwpl arall yn ôl, cadw'ch fynd. Doi to. A dau, da iawn. Okay, we're going to shoulder press now. Da fi dumbbells i helpu fi. Chi'n gallu neud y head dumbbells neu os chi eisiau, tins o beans yn rhywbeth fel yna. Fantastic. So if you want dumbbells or tins of beans or something, you can find in the cupboard, you can use them. If not, it's fine just doing it free weight. Okay? So it's a nice slow and controlled movement. Araf bach. Cofiwch yn naglu mewn trwy trwy, mas trwy cig. A gwenu. Smile. Ni'n cael hwyl. Da iawn. Cadw'ch pwysio, cadw'ch gwthio. Keep pushing, keep smiling. Oof, feel in the bin. Da iawn. Few more to go. Nid doi arall, barod. Un. A dau. Lovely. Rhowch y bwys yn awr. Mewn i star jumps, okay? Neud your seren. Off y ni, so munud arall. Neud your seren. Os chi'n teimlo fe'n galed, chi'n gallu gwneud mas un ar y ochr, okay? Ond os chi'n gallu, keep going, full star jumps. So if you're finding it hard, you can just step out to the side, whatever's easier for you. But if you can, keep pushing, full star jumps. Da iawn, cadw'ch fynd. Cofiwch yn naglu mewn trwy trwy, mas trwy chair if you like, or a wall to help you with the balance. So bring yourself as high up on your toes, and down, okay? Control. Arah bach, lan, a lan. Dala nhw'n cwbl o eiliadau, nôl lan. Hold for a few seconds, back down. Cadwch fit. Da iawn. Chwythio trwyddo. Anadlu, breathing. Teimlo'r calf muscles. Keep pushing. Keep bron o hwnna. Doi to. Un. Law. Doi. A orffwys. Okay, nôl i'r bicycles. Y to gyda'r pwysau. Bicycles back with weights. Cofiwch tyn-drin, sy'n rhywbeth nesaf chi gyntre'n y bwrdd. Okay, elbows in, curl it up, okay? Hwna'n yn mewn, cwrwch lan, i'r chest, a nôl lan. Sy'n yn araf bach, sy'n yn nice and slowly, controlled. Gwenny, i cael oer. Smile, having fun. Cadwch fynd, cadwch cwthio. Keep pushing. Da iawn. Cadwch fynd i bron o hwnna. Cwbl mwy den, cadwch fynd. Couple more, keep going, we're almost there. Doi to, two more. Un. A dau. Da iawn, okay. Pwysau nôl lawr. Marching on the spot, okay? So cerdded ar unfan. Cofio defnyddio'r breichiau fan hyn hefyd, mae'n yna i helpu chi. Really over-exaggerate, okay? Fain, chi'n gytre, chi'n edrych yn syli gytre? Be a bit silly at home, don't exaggerate, no one's watching. Cadwch breichiau mynd, cadwch coesau mynd. Keep your arms going, keep the legs going. Keep pushing. Da iawn, cofiwch anadlu. Mewn trwy trwy, mas trwy gig. Remember that breathing, in through the nose, out through the mouth. Control. Da iawn, mi bron o hwnna, cyfeiriadau ar ôl. Almost there, few more seconds left. 3, 2, 1, a orffwys. Okay, syth mewn, air punches fan hyn, okay? So we're punching the air, nice solid punches. Os chi'n moyn yn y fwy galed, sy'n ddim di blino sy'n gymaint o, march to the spot hefyd, okay? Just put the coesau yn y mewn. Os chi'n ddim di blino, if you're not tired, you can bring those legs in, or if you prefer, just the punches, okay? But when these punches solid. Bwrw gryf. Da iawn. Cadwch fynd. Da iawn. Keep pushing. Almost there. Bron o hwnna. Cadwch bwrw. Pidwch slow lawr to. Cwbl eiliad ar ôl. Few seconds to go. Push. 3, 2, 1, a orffwys, okay. Orffwys am munud nawr. Cael bach o dŵr. So we're gonna rest for a minute. Grab your water. Mae'n pwysig i hyredi fel y dŵr. It's important da ni. Coesau lan, reit lan, twist o'ch corff, bwrw'r llaw. Uchel iawn, okay? Really over-exaggerating, picking up those knees. You know what you're doing now? You've got been in it. So we breathe on fwy galed, okay? We work a bit harder. Bring those knees up. And then you're lan. Cadwch pwysio, cadwch gweithio. Keep working, push. Bring those knees up. Bron y bod na, cadwch fit. Almost there, few seconds. 2 to, 1, 2, a orffwys, okay? Nôl i'r wall press, okay? So, os mae'n wal ydych chi gytre, drwy'n ar y wal, chest lawr, okay? Back to that wall press. We've got wall at home, chest down, hands firmly on the wall. So your press ups, but on the wall, using the wall, okay? And if I press up, I'm going to use the wall, the trimming is down. Your plug your breaker, chest down, and roll down. Make sure you bend those elbows, chest down the wall, and roll down. Back up. Da iawn. Cadwch gwthio, push. Cofiwch yn nac i ni mewn trwy, masticating, control. So breathe it in through the nose, out through the mouth. Control. Almost there. Roll for now. 2 more. In. Down. Da iawn. Okay, nôl. Squats to. Okay, barod. Spread it loud. A lan. Okay, so control this movement. Nice and slow. Don't let your knees go over your toes. Push the glutes up behind you. Da iawn. So an ochr, a dogos di to, yn edrych fel hyn. So from the side, it looks like this. Push. Nice and slow, nice and controlled. Cadwch gwthio. Try to come and extend. Like that. So try to keep them low. And then bring it back up. Keep pushing. Almost there. Doi to there. Lovely, da iawn. Okay, nôl i'r shoulder press. So kind of pwysyn o mas. So get those weights back out. And off we go. So again, nice and slow, nice controlled movement. Araf. Control. Gwthiwch o lan, fully extend, and nôl lawr yn ysgwyddau, okay? Teimlo'r breichau'n gweithio, teimlo'r ysgwyddau. Feeling the arms, feeling the shoulders. Keep pushing. Da iawn, cadwch gwthio. Bron y bod na, mae'n nearly there. Push. Cwbl o eiliadau ar ôl, few more seconds. 2 to. A da iawn. Okay, pwysyn o lawr, the weights back down. Nôl nawr i'r night here. Star jump. Gwengio'r Shelly. Okay, cofio, chi'n gallu neud y llwydach os chi'n moyn. So remember, you can make it easier if you want to, or if you can, full explode those star jumps, okay? Go for it. So round 2, we should be able to do this right now. Ni'n gwybod beth ni'n neud. Da iawn, smile. Cadwch gwenu. Ni'n cael hwyl. Cadwch gwthio. tymau, caden yn y wal i helpu gyda'r balance. If you want, you can bring the chair or a wall to help with the balance. Lan, dan, cwbl eiliadau, a nôl lawr. Hold for a couple of seconds, and back down. Da iawn, rwch fynd. Keep going. Da iawn. Bron y hwnna, cwbl eiliadau ar ôl. Few more seconds to go. Doi to. 1, 2 more. Da iawn. Okay, nôl i'r pwysau. Introducing the weights again. Nôl i'r bicep curl, okay? So land in chest. And nôl out. Keeping those elbows in, okay? Tucked in. Land. Going up. And nôl out. Nice and slow, nice and controlled. Araf bach. Controlling the movement. Da iawn, cofiwch yn adlu. A gwenu. Remember to breathe and smile. Da iawn, cadwch fynd. Keep going. Bron y hwnna. Almost there. Dau to. 2 more. 1. Da iawn. Fantastic. Weights nôl lawr. Nôl mewn i'r march, okay? Back into the march. Ar yr unfan. On the spot. Defnyddio breichiau. Keep using the arms. And go for it. Okay, really march. Swing those arms. Swingwch y breichiau. Da iawn. Keep pushing. Cadwch gweithio. Anadlu, we're breathing. Da iawn, cwbl eiliadau. Cadwch fynd. 3, 2, 1. O'r voice, and now air punches, okay? So punch in the air. Bwrw mas, mor galed ych chi gallu. Go for it, okay? So punch now as hard as you can. Really going for it. You're not tired yet without those legs. Okay, defnyddio'r coesau fynd, nid yw blino ar hyn moment. So bwrw mas, and marching on the spot. Cadwch fynd. Os chi wedi blino, cofiwch just the punches. And os chi'n gallu, both, okay? That. So if you can, use both, so punching out and marching the legs. Keep it going. Every second counts. Almost there. Cadwch fynd, pob eiliad, and cyfri. Da iawn, bron y hwnna. Few more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And o'r voice, da iawn. Okay, we're gonna cool down now. We're gonna cool o'r corff lawr. Cofiwch efo dŵr. Mynd mewn i'r stretches now, okay? Ni'n ymlacio. Go into stretches, we'll relax. Bringing the heart rate down. Cadwch y tad fynd. Just yn araf bach. Braich yn dod. Across. And ni'n mynd dal lawr yn hyn. Okay, so the arms coming across. And we're going to hold it there. Above or below the joint, not on the joint itself, okay? Cadwch tad fynd, just yn araf bach. Keep those feet going. Just nice and slowly. And relax. Same to the other side. Rhywbeth i'r ochr draw. So ni'n dal lan ar hwnna. Holding it there. Marching it up your feet. Just nice and gently, okay? So cooling down the body. Bring the heart rate down. And really softness. Okay, chat and llonydd, break a lan, feet steady, arms up.
Tuck the chin into your chest, feeling the stretch at the top of your back and shoulders.
O'r ochr, mae'n edrych fel hyn, from the side, it looks like this.
Chin in, stretch. Over and in, you're going to be missing the break a lan from here. We're going to reach up the arms and stretch as far as you can. Ymestyn mor mell i chi'n gallu. A dal and hold. Cofiwch yn adlu mewn trwy, mas trwy cefn. Remember to breathe in through the nose, out through the mouth. Break it lawr y gwynod y cefn, so bring the arms down to the lower back, squeezing those elbows together. And edrych fel hyn. So it looks like this. Stretch out the chest area. And release, shake the arms, lawr i'r coesau nawr. So mewn I lunge, into a lunge. So feet flat to the floor, bend the front knee, push to the hips. Dalwch yn yna. So o'r ochr mae'n edrych fel hyn. Okay, from the side it looks like this. Hold it there a few more seconds. And release. March it out, couple of camau. Swap. Yr un beth i'r ochr draw, tad flat ar llaw, feet are flat on the floor. Gwthiwch trwy'r hips. O'r calf muscles yn stretcho ar y cos cefn, okay? Feeling the calf muscle stretching on the back leg. And release, couple of camau, few more steps. Okay, trod ymlaen trwy hyn, foot forward this time. Dig that heel into the ground. Isten nôl, okay? Sit back into that stretch, feeling it in the hamstring. Top of course and top of the leg. So o'r ochr yn edrych fel hyn, isten nôl, teimlo fe yn y hamstring, feeling it in the hamstring. O'r ffwys, relax, couple of camau, take a few steps. Yr un beth i'r ochr draw de, same thing on the other side. Push mas. Feeling the stretch in the hamstring, okay? Lovely. O'r ffwys, okay, stretch yn ôl e. Trod lan i'r nôl up to them. And stretch it out the core muscle. Cofiwch, chi'n gallu defnyddio wal neu cader neu beth I help with the balance. Remember, you can use a wall or a chair or something to help with the balance.